How to fix accidentally archived Instagram story before 24 hours. In this video, I'm going to provide you a resolution for you to fix accidentally archived Instagram story before 24 hours. So first things first is of course pull up your Instagram application like so, and then simply head straight into your profile menu, which is going to be the lower right portion of your screen. Once you're here, I'm going to teach you where you can access all your archived stories. Now, you should be able to see three lines at the upper right. Tap on that. And then you should be redirected into your settings and privacy or settings and activity tab. Now, once you get here, you can scroll down and then under how you use Instagram, you should see the archive option. Tap on that. And this is where you will see all the archive story that you accidentally pressed or selected onto your Instagram application. You just need to tap on the specific story that you accidentally archive, and then it should be able to get back to normal. And that's it. That's how you fix accidentally archive Instagram story before 24 hours.